Good morning, guys. It is pretty cold out here this morning. I hope you can see that. I can see my own breath still. When I was camping last night, it was lovely right up until the fire went out, and then it got super cold. But thankfully, Hank snuggled up in the sleeping bag with me and kept me warm. I hope I kept you warm too, mate. But today's going to be my last day in the forest for a little while. I've got to head back home, go see the family, go do some work that actually pays the bills. And I've got a bunch of jobs that I want to get finished. I really want to focus on getting the staircase finished down towards the log store and split up the last of that wood from the beech tree that came down. But before I do that, it's going to be a lot of work getting stones going up and down the hill to where all the rocks are up there, and that's going to be carting bucket after bucket after bucket of rocks for the staircase. So that's going to take a fair amount of energy. So I'm going to rustle up right now a gigantic mountain man breakfast for me and Hank. I'm looking forward to it. Let's get the fire going, shall we? Just to forewarn you, I am genuinely going to eat a gigantic breakfast. But before anyone gets too judgy, this is probably going to be the only meal I have all day until I get home at, 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. And there's a lot of work to do, a lot of heavy lifting. So this fuel's all going to get used up. Don't you worry about it. No food is going to waste. I'm not just being a glutton. I tell you what I could do with though. Nice cup of coffee. Let's get the kettle on, shall we? the heat. Hold on. Where are you? Oh, this looks so good. As well as a nice hot coffee to get started. I also have to have an orange juice for breakfast. I don't know if it's just me, but it has to be orange juice with juicy bits. If it hasn't got the bits in it, I feel like I've been robbed. Oh, I bet you'd love some, won't you? Don't worry, mate. I'm not going to hold this all to myself. Let's have a little look. Oh, wow. They're apple and pork sausages, and that apple has just given that kind of caramelization to the whole thing. Quite good, though. Look at his face. Come on in. Knuckles? Alright, my man. It's a bit hot. Doesn't care. Let's see if these yolks are still nice and runny. Oh, look at that. Let's have a little bit of sausage. Some runny yolk. Beautiful. You'd love this. This is love. This is love. Oh, I tell you what, I'm stuffed. Absolutely stuffed, but that was perfect. All right, let me show you the jobs I want to get finished here today. Come on, before I slip into a food coma. That is 1,000 times better underfoot. And yeah, it was only a matter of time before I slipped down there and, you know, did myself a disservice. So that's a huge improvement. We're about 90% done. The only thing that I haven't quite decided on yet is what to finish the steps with. I think I'm going to go with some sort of little shingle stone, maybe a light stone or a dark stone. That's the only thing I haven't decided on, but I have been messing around with some design ideas. And this is one of the things that I came up with that I thought, oh yeah, I think that looks like the part. What do you reckon? Still within keeping of the woods. That's the main thing, because everything we build here is basically temporary. There's no foundations, there's no concrete or anything. All of the materials used to make this staircase and the log store are all just from bits and pieces scattered around the woods, logs split in half, rocks and stones just collected from around the woods, and some stakes driven into the ground to stop the stairs sliding that were basically just large brash branches from larch trees. So over a long enough timeline, all of this is just going to decay back down into the ground, and Mother Nature will do what Mother Nature does and claim it all back. But I need to get home to the family. I haven't seen them for a couple of days. I'm missing them, and I need to get back to work, make some money, and then next time I get a couple of days off and I'm back down here, I'll be getting on with it, chopping wood, fixing things, building things, managing the forest, and yeah, having a good cook up around the campfire again. So if that sounds like your cup of tea and you haven't done so already, then maybe hit the subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, then thank you very much, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.